Bakuru b'amashomero abari kurenga mu 200 bahaye okushaba kwabo mu kutendeka okukozesa programu ya TELA ninga jete Teacher Effectiveness and Learner Achievement System kandi omushomo ogu gwakorerwa h'ishomero lya Ntare muri MBARARA City. Enkora ya TELA ekatandikwaho Minisitule y'ebyobwegyese okumaraho ebikorwa bibi ebikucumbagiza omutindo gw'ebyobwegyese omu mashomero ebirimu okwoshaayosha kw'Abashomesa hamwe n'abeegi.
The system is good because it shows me my roles, what I'm supposed to do and at what time and at what price.
We request that the ministry provides the electricity power to the school stations so that our phones or these items are always with power most of the time.
Ivan Mpirwe wabakulira okutendeka oku okurwa Minisitule y'obwegyese nagira ngu enkora egi yatandika kuteebwa mu nkora omu ihanga lyona kandi yayihanangiriza amashomero gona kwejumbira omu kukozesa enkora egi.
When digital systems come up, they improve our daily tasks because these are automated works or the automated duties that we perform on a daily basis. But once you use technology, those roles are played very easily and effectively, and you have all this kind of reporting system which makes the work very easy.
Bo abebembezi omu district ya MBARARA na MBARARA City basima enkora egi.
So the benefits of this tool, this system, this innovation is that you get reports immediately. For example, as an inspector, if I go to a school and inspect a school, I give a report there and then to the ministry.
It will help us as teachers to see the results because we are there. It is hands-on. We are not supposed to see our children failing, so we are here to make sure that we attend to our calling and we are supposed to do the work effectively, teach in time, be there in time, and leave the school at the specified time.
Gasha kwa Abdukarim Sengendo.